When it comes to cutting, grooving, and trimming metal, having the right tool makes all the difference. EZ-Lock cutoff wheels are designed specifically for metalwork, making it easy to slice through bolts, screws, and a variety of metal types with precision and speed. These wheels are crafted from a hard abrasive material that excels at cutting metal cleanly and efficiently. Unlike standard wheels, the EZ-Lock series offers twice the cutting capacity, meaning you get more done with fewer replacements. For example, the EZ426CU outperforms the older EZ420, while the EZ456 surpasses the EZ426 in durability and performance. Each pack comes with multiple wheels to keep you prepared. The EZ426CU and EZ456 come with 5 wheels per pack, while the EZ456B includes a generous 12 wheels. For those who want a complete setup, the EZ406 package bundles one EZ402 Mandrel with 5 EZ456 wheels, so you're ready to tackle your next project right out of the box. For professionals or serious DIYers looking for even longer-lasting performance, the EZ-Lock Premium Metal Cutting Wheel, the EZ426CU, is a standout choice. It features cubic boron nitride, CBN, a super abrasive grit that keeps the wheel sharper, cooler, and more stable during use. In fact, internal tests show it lasts at least 20 times longer than standard fiberglass reinforced wheels. Using the EZ-Lock wheels with the EZ402 Mandrel ensures a secure fit and smooth operation, reducing downtime and improving accuracy. This combination makes cutting through tough metal tasks feel effortless and reliable every time. Customers from across the United States have praised these wheels for their toughness and consistent performance. Many note the wheel's coarser grit compared to previous versions, which translates to faster cutting without sacrificing longevity. They've become a must-have for metalworkers who value both quality and efficiency. If you're tired of wheels that wear out quickly or struggle to cut through metal, the EZ-Lock cutoff wheels offer a practical upgrade. What you get is more cuts per wheel, less overheating, and a smoother cutting experience overall. That matters when every minute counts on the job. Worth a look if you're ready to improve your metal cutting tools. Try the EZ-Lock cutoff wheels when you want durability, precision, and ease of use in one package.